MC here, it keeps throwing a p0426 code. We pulled the gas cap off and cleaned it up and such and made sure it was tight, because that is one of the most common problems with the p0426. However, this one is not. This is a purge volume control valve, and I want to show you a quick way to test it. So locate your purge volume control valve. This is a GMC. It's right back there on the left-hand side of the intake. Disconnect the hose that comes from the tank, from the purge canister, and unplug the harness that goes to it. Let me get you a better view here. That would be right there. And so now we've plugged in a hose to it. You don't have to have a vacuum hose. You can just put your finger over it when you start it and see if it has a vacuum. If it does, the purge valve is stuck in the open position and you're sucking air into the intake all the time. That can make it miss a little bit too. So in this case, we just got a vacuum line hooked to it, and I'm just gonna see if it pulls a vacuum. Go ahead and start it. Right there, 15, 16 pounds. So that's exactly what the problem is. The valve is stuck in the open position and it's sucking air into the intake. When it should only be doing it, it should only be purging when it needs to. So I think that makes sense. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.